Semantic versioning is the principle behind the versions you see on almost every program. It is structured by using 3 consecutive numbers like 1.2.5, and they each respectively stands for major, minor, and patch. If it's a bug or an issue fix, then it's a patch. If it's a small feature addition which is backwards compatible, then it is a minor update. If it's a big change and not backwards compatible, then it's a major update. Now, let's look at functions inside our SemVer module. First, we got valid, which is the version number validator. If the version is valid, it returns the number, otherwise null. Then we got clean, and that method removes trailing or leading white spaces and equals v prefix. After that, we have Satisfies function. It takes version and a version interval, then returns that if the version satisfies with the requirements. Next up, we have greater than and lesser than methods. They take 2 versions and returns the comparison value. Then we got min version method, which takes an interval and returns a SemVer object that has minimum version. And finally, we have Coerce method. This function basically constructs SemVer objects from string, which you can find more information in the official documentation. And that said, we concluded SemVer module in 1 minute. I hope you have liked that type of content. If you want more, hit like and subscribe. See you next time. Take care.